tutorial, I want to show you how to find clients so that you can, help that you can render your service to on LinkedIn. So I already have my LinkedIn app. So if you don't have it, I recommend that you go and create a profile. So just go to your Play Store or your iTunes Store, and then download your LinkedIn and then create an account. So ensure that your account, your profile is well optimized on LinkedIn and all that. And then it is time for you to start reaching out to potential clients. Now, the first thing you need to decide is which field, which area, like I told you in the ebook. So where I listed out how you're going to go about it. So you're going to decide what do you want to do, what kind of business do you want to be helping, because you're actually going to be helping them do something, and then you're going to be getting paid in return for that. So let's say for instance, I'm a social media manager or I am a customer support and I want to be helping um or let's say I'm a social media manager for instance and I want to be helping real estate people who are into real estate, people who sell properties. So I want to be helping them manage their social media, pages. So what do I go about? How do I go about it? So I would come to this search bar and then I will search for the terms that they use for them. So realtor is one of the names that they use for people who sell properties. They don't own their own property, but they help other people sell their properties. So I'll click on search. Okay. Now once I click on search, you will see different this thing. You have to filter it down. You see people, you see companies, you see jobs, posts, and all that. So if I'm looking for realtor, I'm looking for people. So I'll just click on people so that it will just be showing me people. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to change the location. Um, I want to change it to United States, right? So I want to also change it to Australia, right? And I also want to change it to Canada, okay? Ontario, Canada. And then I'll ask LinkedIn to show me results. So now these are realtors. So whom I can help manage their social media presence. They have their social media pages both on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on Instagram, and elsewhere. So I want to be reaching out to them. I want to reach out to them, and pitch my service to them. Okay. So um there are three generations of people you find on LinkedIn. We have the first generation, we have the second generation, we have the third generation. The first generations are people that you know. The second generation are people that your friends know. They don't know you, you don't know them, but they are friends to your friends. So the third generation are they are cold people. You don't know them, they don't know you. You have no connection whatsoever with them. So what you want to do first is you want to send them a connection request. So like you can see, so this thing I'm pressing right here at the top right. So you want to send them connection request. So you want to keep your connection request to at least let's say 20 per day, right? So that in an hour you only be sending like 3 or 4 connections in an hour. So that in a day you not be sending more than 20 connections per day. Okay. Now after the connection, you want to stalk them, you want to go after them, you want to monitor them, you want to see what they are doing. If they have an email list, you want to like you want to see their email list. Let's say for instance, this one person, let me see, Texas Realtor. Okay, let me check this lady out. That is Equem. And this Tony Roland runs. Okay, I've sent them connection requests, so I can check them out. All right. So this person lives in Paris, Florida, in the USA, and they have 16,047 followers. Okay. So this is their profile. Okay. And in fact, you even get more. suggestions by LinkedIn. As you can see, these are suggestions. Some of them are locked. Like I told you, this is third generation people. You can see this is third. As you can see, you see third in front of their names. It means they are not connected whatsoever with anybody you know. If there is no connection whatsoever with you, then you will not be able to. These are cold people. Although you have a lot of clients in them, but you just need to know that the first generation are people you are already connected to on LinkedIn. So they are like your friends on Facebook. The second generation are people, friends of your friends, and the third is, like strangers who are not connected to you in any way. So you want to check this guy out. Um, I cannot message because it has to be on premium. So this is why if you can afford LinkedIn premium, you can go after LinkedIn premium, right? So that you'll be able to message them directly like that. Okay. And so once this person sends me receives or accepts my connection, I can stalk them. I can see what they do and all that. What's even his name? Tony Rand. I can even go to Google and search for his name. Tony Rand, Coldwell Banker. Tony Rand, Coldman Banker. Let me see if that is correct. Coldwell Banker Residential. Coldwell Banker Residential. Okay, so let's check this guy out. So it seems he has a website. In fact, more than even one website. Okay, so this is his website. So I can go ahead. You have a page on Facebook, as you can see, with zero like. They have a page on Facebook with zero like. So it's one of the ways that I can come in because they want to have people that can like their Facebook page, right? So they have zero like on Facebook, right? So it's one of the ways for me to reach out to this guy and pitch my service to him. Okay. All right. So what else can I know about this guy? What is his name? I know his name. What is his email address? What is his phone number? This is their phone number. Okay. I'm hoping that this will be a WhatsApp number as well. I can reach out to him on WhatsApp, right? And I can now contact agent. In fact, there's even a button for me to contact him. All right, so I just put in my name, my last name, email address, and then contact the agent. Or I can just skip the form if I want. All right, so and then once I do all that, I can then reach out to him. Let me show you one of the these things that I have. So I want to come right here to this and the pitches that I already have. So this is one of the templates. Okay, now hello name. I'll put his name. I notice you have a great offer. So I'll mention whatever it is I find out that they are selling. I could say I notice you have a great offer with your properties. So or whatever it is, and so on and so on real estate. The product does not let you that you sell to your clients. I notice there is a lot of clients to deliver to, and now you have to do this in such a way that you will tailor it to each client, right? So meaning that if I'm reaching, I say I notice there's a lot of clients to reach out to. Obviously, these clients may not have a lot of clients, but they want to have clients. So I could tell him that while you are doing other things, I can help you manage your social media. It's as simple as that. I can help you write your content and manage your social media. So that would be my what I'm reaching out to him about. And then I'll tell him I am a customer support professional, and I am offering my service to you to work, for you remotely and help you, offer support to your clients. So, and then I'll finish it with, if you rather not hire customer support, that's okay too. I thank you for your time. All right. And then you end it with the rest. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen.